Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming lawful ownership and gathering evidence. This prevents illegal bypass attempts. Once you have the serial and a receipt, contact the seller or owner immediately and request they remove the watch from their iCloud account. Make sure to note the Apple ID email they used so they can sign in remotely. This first step is the fastest legitimate route. It preserves warranty and avoids activation lock conflicts, so proceed before attempting any setup. Once the owner agrees, they should remove the watch from Find My on iCloud. That action lifts activation lock and lets you continue. If the owner cannot be reached, make an appointment with Apple support or visit an Apple store. Bring original proof of purchase and government ID so Apple can verify ownership. Make sure to provide exact device serial and purchase timestamp, because Apple uses those details to confirm legitimacy before releasing activation control to you. Now that activation lock is cleared by the owner or Apple, pair the watch with your iPhone through the Watch app and follow the guided setup steps. This registers it to your Apple ID. If the device still shows activation lock, contact Apple support again and supply any additional receipts or bank records. Remember, avoiding third-party bypass tools protects you legally and preserves device integrity. If things go wrong, escalate formally rather than attempting unverified workarounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.